Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm doing a demo walkthrough on the Dark Horse Lightsaber wireless tattoo pen. This pen includes two batteries which last up to 4 to 6 hours with a 2 to 3 hour charge time for each battery. You're included the charging dock, the wall brick, the charging cable. You're also included a RCA adapter just in case you ever need to hardwire your machine, as well as the RCA cable and the machine case. The reason why this machine is called the Lightsaber is because it actually has a light in the front. Right now I have the machine powered on. If you double click the power button, a light will turn on. To be honest, this light is decent, but I wouldn't replace your studio lamp. You know, it's just nice to have a little bit of extra light. Let's go ahead and power this on. I currently have it running at 7.8 volts. It has a needle protrusion of 5 millimeters and a needle swing of 3.5. Just go ahead and twist the grip to bring down your needle protrusion, just in case you don't want it to hang out that far, and turn it back to bring it out a little bit further.